Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mapanood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Mike Tyson versus Rodick Razor. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo na makalimutan mag-subscribe at kahit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan ang naging laban ni Mike Tyson versus Rodick Razor at alamin kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Mike Tyson ng kanyang kabakbakan na si Rodick Razor.
Round 1 scheduled for 12. The difference in size immediately apparent. Rodick just went for a home run with an uppercut which missed. The big question, can Rodick withstand the customary early pressure and barrage by Mike Tyson? Well, he's ready for it. He threw his bomb. Oh, a right by Tyson, and Rodick stumbled, but he stayed up. Well, he'd thrown a big punch. He stumbled after the punch. A left uppercut by Razor Rodick. Associate Minister doesn't seem to care. A hard body punch by Tyson. Down goes Rodick. He says he slipped. But Steele is counting.
3.
Because the hurricane is building up. There's a big right by Tyson on Tyson. Right by Tyson. He just doesn't quite get there. There's a left by Rodick. A left by Tyson, and down goes Rodick. What a counter punch.
6, 7, 8. You okay?
4.
The bell is sounded to end the third. Oh, a big left. Oh, they hit after the bell once again. Steele, warning.
5.
You can question his integrity or his honesty. A flurry in the center of the ring, midway through the fifth. Getting chopped down little by little. Whoa, nice right hand by Tyson.
6.
And the right hand over. Oh, nice look. Here comes Razor Rodick out of nowhere. A combination by Rodick. An uppercut by Rodick. A right by Rodick. Tyson comes back. And inflicted some hard punishment again. A left uppercut by Razor Rodick. That stunned Tyson. Now Tyson says no. Hit me again. And he did with the right. As the bell sounds.
7.
Steam out of Tyson. Rodick coming back. Now Tyson with a big left. Some pretty good chins. For withstanding this kind of barrage. Oh, what a right by Tyson. Oh, the left. Now the right combination. Steele steps in. Is it over? It's over. It's over. And Mike Tyson has defeated Razor Rodick here in the 7th round.
The referee in charge, Richard Steele, stops the contest. Winner by way of TKO, Mighty Mike Tyson.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, ano masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.